Hey guys, me Blaine, and I'm back again today. And today I found something that I think is very useful for a Tesla Model Y. If you have a Tesla Model Y 2020, 2021 version, this item will be of great use to you. So let's get started. Okay, so today what I have this really cool storage container that goes underneath your seat in your Model Y. It's sold to you from Basenor, and if you're interested in it, the Amazon link is down below in the description of my video. This storage unit is simply this container right here. And what it is, it's a nice solid hard plastic container that will go underneath either the driver's side or the passenger side front seat. And when it goes under there, it's got these Velcro strips on the side, as you can see right there. So when it goes in there, it sticks to the side walls and it won't move. So once it's in there, it stays in. And I will show you how I'm going to install it here in a minute, but I had a little bit of problem because when I first went to put it in there, the Velcro kept grabbing the carpet and you want it to go all the way to the bottom. So the easiest way to do that was I just kept sticking my fingers down in here to pull the Velcro away from the carpet until I got it to fall all the way down. Once I got it all the way down and it was installed, it was done. What I did is these little lips right here, I put them right up to the front of the bars that the seat slide on, and that's where I left it. And if you drive with your seat up a little bit, you won't see any of the contents in this, but to get into these, you just simply slide your seat back all the way, and then you can see right there and you can grab out what you want. And it's a good thing you can keep, you know, some jumper cables or candy or whatever you want to put in here. It'll stay in here, and it won't slide out from under your seat. It won't slide out to the back seat, and it gives you a nice little storage space underneath your front seat. So let's go ahead and get started on installing it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my seat is all the way in the far back position. And then I'm going to take this, and you will see as soon as you start to put it in there, it's already grabbing onto the sides of these. So I'm going to do what I can to carefully put these in. And one thing I might do is I might pull back my floor mats here just so I can get this in there a little bit closer to the bottom. Once you get it in there, push my floor mats back down, and I have it installed. You can see, pulling on it, it's not sliding anywhere, staying in there. And then all I gotta do is put my seats up, and you can see with that driving position right here, seats come straight down, you can't see in here, and it's in there. All right, so this here is with my seat all the way back, and you can see that it's flush with these floor mats. These floor mats here are by Tesla Shields, if you're interested in them. Anyways, right here is the floor mats. They're right there. And this box is not going anywhere. Gives you a little bit of extra storage room. Put something in there, you can pull out what you need. And then you just put the seat back, whatever position you need it in, to drive, and you're good. Now, I don't have to worry about anything sliding to the back seat. Hey guys, all right, so I really like this box. If you're interested in it, the link's down below on Amazon, but what I like most about it is I can put my seat back, I can grab whatever I need out of there. I don't have to worry about it rolling back, going into the rear seat back there. And you can also put this over in the passenger side. I'm putting mine right here underneath the driver's seat because I can reach down in there and grab what I need, and it's going to work for me that way. So I do give this a thumbs up. And like I said, if you're interested, link is down below in my description. You can go straight to Basenor and check them out. So, all right, guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. It helps out with all the YouTube algorithms and all that. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down there. I have lots of different videos. I do a lot of reviews on different accessories for the Tesla Model Ys, sometimes the Model 3. So hit that subscribe button and check out the rest of the videos I have out there on my channel. So until next time, be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Check you guys later. Bye. See ya.